in between the weeds with the paddle if you can.
When did you build that, Gerald?
About 5, 6 years ago. It goes in the water every summer.
What a great idea.
Keep turning, turn the wheel now because it got a very big circle for turning. Keep going, that's it, you're getting round. Yes, that's it.
Finished! Hallelujah!
Go round again? I don't think so.